said, our special focus on the show will be on the campaign against VIP thuggery. Now, let's first tell you what took place today. After 2 decades of political estrangement, Raj Thackeray and Uddhav Thackeray shared the stage in Mumbai. This was a rare display of unity amid the Marathi row in Maharashtra. But recently, language politics in Mumbai have led to instances of thuggery and gundagardi. MNS goon slapped a shopkeeper on Mira Road for not speaking in Marathi. That video went viral. Also, a businessman who said he would not speak in Marathi posted that on social media. His office was vandalized today by MNS workers as well. And recently, we've seen several instances of this sort of gundagardi, be it in Odisha, where an official was dragged out, and be it in Himachal Pradesh, where a highway official was also beaten up by several party workers. Now, NDTV has been campaigning for justice and swift action in these cases. But let's return to today with the Thackeray brothers sharing the stage. And Raj Thackeray, for the first time today from that stage, told MNS workers not to assault people for not speaking in Marathi. A public statement asking his workers not to indulge in violence over Marathi. But then he also said, however, if someone does useless drama, you must hit below the eardrums. And interestingly, also said, do not take videos. On his part, Uddhav Thackeray said that they would keep doing hooliganism if they don't get justice. Take a look.
मराठी के लिए मारेगा। मराठी के मुद्दे के लिए हम लोग गुनाह लेने के लिए तैयार हैं।
7 साल से अगर कम सजा रहे तो उसमें अरेस्ट नहीं कर सकते, तो हमने नोटिस सबको सर्व किया गया है।
कार्रवाई तो चलते रहता ना।
मैं पार्टी का नेता हूं, जो मैं बता रहा हूं ये पार्टी की भूमिका है।
देखिए, मीरा रोड की घटना के तुरंत बाद एफआईआर भी दाखिल हुआ और कार्रवाई भी हुई है। इस प्रकार से कोई भाषा के आधार पर गुंडागर्दी करेंगे तो हमारी सरकार उनको छोड़ेगी नहीं, उनके ऊपर कार्रवाई करेगी। मैं वापस कह रहा हूं, स्वभाषा का अभिमान होना चाहिए, मातृभाषा का अभिमान होना चाहिए, पर उसको आगे करके अगर कोई गुंडागर्दी करेगा तो सहन नहीं किया जाएगा।
देवेंद्र फडणवीस आज जे बोललेत, बातम्या आले सगळीकडे, मी इकडे बातम्या आणल्यात। भाषेच्या नावाखाली गुंडगिरी सहन केली जाणार नाही। जर महाराष्ट्रामध्ये मराठी माणूस न्याय मागण्यासाठी आंदोलन करत असेल आणि त्याला जर का तुम्ही गुंड म्हणत असाल तर आम्ही गुंड आहोत। आम्ही गुंड। न्याय मागणं म्हणजे गुंडगिरी नाहीये। आणि जर का गुंडगिरी केल्याशिवाय तुमच्या दरबारी न्याय मिळत नसेल तर आम्ही गुंडगिरी करूच।
गुजराती माणसाला मारला, कुठच्या गुजराती माणसाला मारला? बाचाबाचीमध्ये समोरचा गुजराती निघाला, इकडचा मराठी निघाला, त्याच्यामध्ये काय गुजरात्यानं मारलं का? एवढे व्यापारी आहेत, अजून तर काहीच केलेलं नाही। अर्थात त्यांना मराठी आली पाहिजे याच्याबद्दल वाद नाही। विनाकारण उठसूट काय मारामारी करायची गरज नाही आणि मारायची गरज नाही। पण जर जास्ती नाटकं केली तर कानाखाली आवाज काढलाच पाहिजे तुम्ही। पण चूक त्यांची असली पाहिजे। आणि एका गोष्टीचं लक्षात ठेवा, अशी कधी गोष्ट कराल त्याची व्हिडिओ काढू नका। आपल्यामध्येच त्यांना कळलं पाहिजे। कळलं का? मारणारा कधी सांगत नसतो, मार खाणारा सांगत असतो मला मारला म्हणून। त्यांना सांगू देत, पण याचा अर्थ उठसूट कोणालाही उगाच मारायचं काही कारण नाहीये।
All right, so let's now get started with our discussion. While, of course, the political ramifications are there of the Thackeray cousins, the brothers reuniting, but what does this mean regarding Gundagardi that we've seen of late in Mumbai? Will it mean a free run for the goons? To talk more about this, we're joined by Asif Bhamla, spokesperson of the BJP, Krishna Hegde, spokesperson of the Shiv Sena, Shinde, Sajid Supariwala, leader of the Shiv Sena UBT, and Rubal Nagi, social worker, artist, and author. Thank you so much all for joining us on the program today. And I'd like to go to you first, Sajid Supariwala. Of course, the political implications of this coming together of the cousins is one issue, but the other issue is also this Gundagardi that we've been seeing in the name of language in Mumbai of late. You had a shopkeeper being slapped, then you had a businessman, his office being vandalized by MNS goons, and today we saw Uddhav Thackeray, Raj Thackeray sharing the stage. Raj Thackeray even talking about, he did, however, ask his workers not to beat up people over Marathi, but then he did go on to say if they act smart, you can slap them below the ear. So are we going to see more of this?
See, let me clear one thing. First of all, I would like to congratulate Maharashtra that after 20 years, both brothers have united for Marathi cause. Marathi cause means not insulting other languages. It does mean that because we are in the state of Maharashtra and we are earning over here, our livelihood, our food, we are trying to get a foothold in the Maharashtra. So definitely we should respect the language in all the states where you go. They always speak the language of the state. English is an international language. They don't keep on speaking English every day, day-to-day people. In India, Hindi is your national language. We respect Hindi also. But the implementation and a compulsion of this language, any language, is not the right way to do it. And if somebody is trying to do Gundagardi over a language, not only when you were showing these videos, there has been instances where the shopkeeper has been kindly told to speak in Marathi only because the other person who was a Marathi speaking person, he just said that why don't you speak Marathi in the state of Maharashtra? Now we don't have the full video, how and what has been spoken at that time. So we have to see the whole instance. And there has been many other fights and arguments, but not about the language. It has been other things also. So we are calculating as per the clip which is shown here. The clip should be shown in full. What has happened beyond that, we have to see.
Well, this was the clip that went viral. No action was taken against those MNS goons. Then we had this next case that happened in which a businessman, his office was vandalized. This is after he posted on social media that he's been in Mumbai for 30 years, but he will not learn Marathi like this. And however, he was then forced to apologize. But Asif Bhamla, the question to you is that even though Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has promised action and said this will not be tolerated, it does seem that the government is going soft on these crimes. It's a very sensitive issue. Why are you treating these goons with kid gloves?
Let me tell you, the unfortunate part is कि इन्हें जो अभी कुछ घंटे पहले एक हुए दोनों, इन्हें लगता है 1 और 1 11 होता है. ये इनको मैं बता देना चाहता हूँ कि ये फिल्मों में होता है. ये वास्तविक
1 और 1 11 नहीं.
Listen, I don't expect a rebuttal while I'm talking, please.
All right, let him speak, please. Yes,
please.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Have some etiquette. This is your way and quality of handling people.
Okay, go on.
Please go on, Asif Bhamla, go on.
So beware when I'm speaking, okay? Hey, so listen to me now. This is वो क्या कहते हैं ना कि अब जो परिस्थिति ऐसी है कि अब खिसियानी बिल्ली खंबा नोचे, कुछ बचा है नहीं. एक तरफ एक पार्टी है जिसके I don't even expect a reciprocation, please. एक तरफ एक पार्टी है जिसके 20 MLA भी शायद है या नहीं, आई डोंट नो, और दूसरी तरफ एक दूसरी पार्टी जिसको अंडा मिला है. बहुत अच्छी बात है. और शुरुआत तो राज ठाकरे ने की कि मैं धन्यवाद करता हूं देवेंद्र जी का कि इन्होंने हम दोनों को मिलाया, क्योंकि वो शायद ये जानते नहीं है, ही डजंट नो दैट देवेंद्र जी से ज्यादा बड़ा विद्वान और ज़हीन कोई राजनेता है नहीं अब इस महाराष्ट्र में, कम से कम कई बरसों के पहले भी और आगे भी आने वाले कई बरसों से. तो आई थिंक आई एक्सेप्ट व्हाट राजेश सेड विद फुल ह्यूमिलिटी. सो वी नो के ये साथ होंगे तो इन्हीं का बेड़ा गर्क होगा, और ये कितना साथ रहेंगे ये तो आगे आने वाला वक्त बताएगा. It doesn't matter.
Right, but Asif Bhamla,
no.
Yes.
Give me 5 seconds. Give me 5
sure.
seconds.
Okay, go
Let
ahead.
me tell you this on the vandalism part.
Yes.
I, as a spokesperson of BJP, am strongly submitting here that no vandalism will be henceforth allowed in the state of Maharashtra. This is a state which has a strong chief minister in Devendra Fadnavis, who believes that law and order. This is not a banana republic के वो लोग जब चाहे किसको भी उठा ले. ये संविधान उन लोगों के साथ बना है जिसमें हर we all respect Marathi. आज आप कहोगे I can speak lines and volumes in Maharashtra. And we respect Maharashtra, Marathi because हमें अभिमान है इस राज्य से आने का और इस भाषा का. लेकिन इसका मतलब नहीं कि दूसरे प्रांत से आए हुए लोग. और आप किस पे अत्याचार करते हो? गरीब उबर वालों पे, ओला वालों पर. और ये खंडनी का जो काम है ना, ये बंद करिए आप लोग, क्योंकि ये आगे चलने देने वाला ये जो मुख्यमंत्री वो नायक मुख्यमंत्री है, जिसे पता है क्या हो रहा. आज भी केसेस लिए गए, आगे भी there will be strong action against anybody who tries to take the law.
Well, that's what you're saying, Asif Bhavna, but we're yet to see that strong action. You know, those 7 men who slapped that shopkeeper, they were called in for questioning, then they were let go. Your minister claimed they've been arrested. They have not been arrested, but let me go across to our other guest also, Krishna Hegde, also there with us. Krishna Hegde, the Shiv Sena Shinde faction has spoken on, you know, the coming together of the Thackeray brothers, though it does seem you've gone softer on Raj Thackeray and you've really hit out at Uddhav Thackeray more so.
Gargi, Uddhav ji is playing his politics because of the BMC elections. But as a Mayayuti, we are not interested in what the two brothers do. We are happy that two brothers are coming together, but politically, if you look at this, we as the Mayayuti have got 235 MLAs in the House out of 288. And therefore, we have got an absolute majority and an extremely stable government. And we are working for Hindutva, we are working for the Marathi Manus, and we are giving umpteen number of social welfare schemes to the people of Maharashtra, to the farmers, to the youth, to the women folk, especially our flagship scheme, the Ladki Behna scheme.
And therefore, as a member of the Mahayuti, are you not, what can you say on this issue of the Gundagardi that we've been seeing taking place in Mumbai and, you know, over this language politics?
Yeah, see, the coming together of Uddhav Thackeray and Raj Thackeray is the internal party matter between the MNS and Uddhav Thackeray's party, their leader and their cadre. And we have nothing to do with it. However, like Devendra Fadnavis ji said, that, you know, there are already 7 FIRs which have been lodged against the assailants, and we will not tolerate any kind of nuisance or nonsense of this kind in Maharashtra where anyone tries to take law in their own hands. And we are clear on this. Mumbai is a cosmopolitan city and Maharashtra, you know, is a bread and butter for all who live here. But I must condemn also Mr. Kedia, who has been instigating for no reason and today he has apologized. See, when you are speaking about the local people, you can't go and instigate them also. And I think that is very unfair. However, if someone knows Marathi, doesn't know Marathi, it's a different story. But whoever lives in Maharashtra should speak Marathi, know Marathi and learn Marathi. And that is what Shiv Sena stands for. And that is what is our founder, Sanmanya Hindu Hriday Samrat Bala Saheb Thackeray's ideology, which we are following. We, the Bharatiya Janata Party and Ajit Dada's NCP are together. We are strongly fighting the local body elections, whether it is the BMC or other elections in Maharashtra. And we are going to win an absolute majority because the Marathi Manus is with us. In the last Vidhan Sabha election, we have seen that we've got an absolute mandate for working for the people. And the people of Maharashtra are clever and they understand that people who have not done anything for them for the last 40 years will not come together now and do something for them. It is the Marathi Manus who has left Mumbai because of high taxes in the BMC and gone to Nala Sopara,
visual
Kalyan,
of the
Dombivli.
Thackeray cousins coming together on stage is something that must have shaken the Shiv Sena Shinde. But let me now bring in my
do we look
panelist.
Shaken or do I look shaken?
We'll come back to you on that. The issue is of this Gundagardi that we've been seeing, and Rubal Nagi has been waiting very, very patiently. Rubal, as an artist, as someone who's, you know, promoting culture in Mumbai and art, etc. You know, your comments on what we're seeing, this return of this, you know, language chauvinism, Gundagardi, where a shopkeeper is slapped the other day. Now somebody's office is being vandalized. As a Mumbaikar, what are your comments on this?
Firstly, you know, I would say no level of violence can ever be tolerated. When it comes to language, when it comes to Marathi, I've been living in Mumbai for 26 years. And trust me, when I came initially, I wasn't really thinking whether, I need to learn Marathi to live in Mumbai or not. But then as I started working in the slums, across the villages, I just got the interest to learn Marathi, and I got a Marathi teacher at home, and I said, you know what, I want to learn Marathi because I love learning languages. But at that time, if somebody had put force on me to learn Marathi, maybe I would have reacted differently. So today, when you see that being in Maharashtra, you have to speak Marathi. We live in India. India is a very diverse country. I have students from Maharashtra who are studying in Kashmir. I just came back from Kashmir last week. Now, if Kashmiri people there start vandalizing or pushing them to learn Kashmiri, only then you can study in Maharashtra or only then you can live in Kashmir, I think that's not a done thing. And in every state, you promote your state language, which is a fantastic idea, which everyone does. But for that, you run campaigns, you run initiatives, you make programs where you welcome people to come and learn the local language. You don't break things, you don't vandalize, you don't, take the path of violence. I think that is something everybody will be very disheartened to see. And the videos that you've shown on TV are actually not very good. And being
and they
a
hurt the
Mumbaikar,
image
I
of
call
Mumbai,
myself,
isn't it? Mumbai is, as you said, a cosmopolitan city. It's a financial
it's a
capital.
financial capital.
It's our
Tell me,
maximum city. You have people, it's the city of dreams. People
Mumbai
come
is
from
called
all
the
over.
city of dreams. How
Yes.
will you fulfill your dreams if you're going to beat people up over language or over anything? I mean, to take the path of violence for anything is not correct. I always believe that every problem has a solution. And in Maharashtra, I work in the slums. There are so many people who cannot speak in Marathi in slums. But that does not make them, that we need to send them back or we need to beat them up. There are so many people who, they are Maharashtrian, but they say, ma'am, हमें English सीखनी है, हमें अंग्रेजी सिखाइए, हमें अंग्रेजी में बात करना है, बच्चों को पढ़ाना है. So what should we do? We should tell them, no, you live in Maharashtra, you're only supposed to speak Marathi. Speaking a language, learning a language is a fantastic thing. My son is studying in an IB school. I told him, choose Marathi as your additional language, beta, because you live in Maharashtra, you live in Mumbai. It'll be really helpful, and it's a nice way to learn. Like you're learning
good to
French,
hear
you're
that.
learning Kashmiri, you're learning
Sajid
Punjabi. Why should you not
Pariwala, I'd
learn
like you to
Marathi?
come in here. Your comments on this. And today we saw Raj Thackeray for the first time from the stage saying that don't do violence in the name of Marathi. So we were, very welcoming of it. NDTV has been running this campaign asking, that there should be no VIP treatment for these political goons. However, then he goes on to say that if somebody does drama, slap him under the ear or, bajao him under the ear. And he also says that don't take videos because I think he's realized when these videos go viral, it creates a lot more outrage. So what are we to make of these comments today?
See,
You know what?
let me explain one thing. I respect and I really admire the work of Rubal Nagi ji. Maybe she doesn't know me so well personally. Whatever she said, I take a statement from hers only that she is very fond of working for the poor and downtrodden. When she goes to villages, she needs to speak in Marathi because they understand the rural language. It helps her to do better social work. So that is the reason we are explaining that every state.
People. It just makes you feel their own, and you connect to them when you speak the local language. It's a fantastic thing. There is nothing wrong in that.
So I'm coming to that. When it comes to violence, the violence only happens. There is always a reaction to an action. What happens is if you speak disrespectfully to somebody, be it anyone on the road, not MNS workers, be a normal citizen, a businessman, though two cars are going, I'm just giving a very small example. Two cars are going and one car just gets a little, bumper gets scratched a little bit. If they start fighting, street fight happens. If they speak normally, nicely, the problem is sorted out. But when you are speaking rudely and trying to slap a person, the other person will not give the other cheek to slap. He will also slap back. So what I'm trying to say here is, and what Raj Thackeray Sahab meant was that the language should be respected. If anybody disrespects the language, only then you have to take a reaction to the action. But he never said that if a person doesn't know, just slap him. No, it wasn't. The meaning was that you need to learn, you need to be polite to each other, you need to be nice to each other. Why to
All
fight?
right, well,
This is a state
Asif
language.
Bhamla, do come in here. You know, we do want to see action taken against those who have indulged in this violence. And even if Mr. Kedia, you know, made that remark where he was challenging Mr. Raj Thackeray, saying that I've lived here for 30 years and I'm not going to learn the language. Even so, his office shouldn't get, vandalized in this way. Those visuals on your screens of the MNS workers coming with, and this was as this same, rally was going on with both the Thackeray brothers on stage, is when Mr. Sushil Kedia's office was being trashed, and then he put out a video apologizing. So this is not the sort of image that Mumbai wants to project right now.
You see, using Marathi as a weapon to to meet their ends, you see, because that's the only thing that they're left with. There's no agenda. ये कोई विकास का मुद्दा तो इनके पास है नहीं, जो भारतीय जनता पार्टी और हमारी पार्टियां मिलकर, सेना, हम एनसीपी मिलकर हमने कई विकास के काम किए, कई योजनाओं को हमने अंजाम दिया. तो we have believed in the progressive approach. Okay, so now that, of course, that is hijacked, and of course people don't trust them anymore. अब वो जो है बेचारे खुद अपने सुपुत्र को जिता नहीं पाए एमएनएस की तरफ से, बाकी बचता है आपके सेना को. तो अब कोई मुद्दा बचा नहीं, इसलिए खिसियानी बिल्ली खंबा नोचे. अब लेट मी कम बैक टू व्हाट स्पीड द हु अल्लाह पर से दैट हैज बीन हैपनिंग. अरे ये दोनों मिल जाएंगे तो, अरे भाई हमारी तो नींदें हराम हो गई, हम तो अब बर्बाद हो गए दोनों. अरे अच्छी बात है, वी आर वेलकमिंग. Please, both brothers, y'all were the one who were mudslinging at each other when Uddhavji said that he has stabbed us on our back. When Aditya ji, who's known to me, said that हम उनके बारे में क्या बात करें जिनका अपना ही कोई जनाधार और आधार नहीं, उनके बारे में क्या बात करें. आज आप मिलके एक साथ आए तो अच्छी बात है, हम स्वागत करते हैं, होना ही चाहिए आपको. बट आज की मीटिंग का तात्पर्य क्या है, मैं आपको 3 पॉइंट गिनाता हूं. No particular program of Marathi was ever discussed in the meeting, which was very, very needed, because यदि उस मुद्दे के लिए आप दोनों आए हो तो उस पर आपने क्या चर्चा की. एक, no concern for the Marathi language was even exhibited. All they did was just they praised Devendra Fadnavis ji, जो उस लायक भी है to be praised, so that's, thank you for that. And again, what agenda do you have for the Marathi youth that you're talking so much? उनके विकास के लिए कोई नहीं, क्या give me 5 seconds, क्या ब्लूप्रिंट आपने तय किया? ये सारा जो फर्जी मामला, you will see them in heads and tongs very soon, and you will yourself see the Sena and the Manse spokespersons fighting with each other for the seat sharing to like everything. ये अभी जैसे उन्होंने कहा ना, पिक्चर अभी बाकी है, so we don't have time to wait for the picture, because we know where we stand, and we know we will win the BMC election. ये आप लिख लीजिए दिन तारीख समय के साथ, बाकी हम मिलेंगे चुनाव के बाद.
All right, quick answer there, Sajid Supariwala, and then I'd like to get final comments from Krishna Hegde as well. Yes.
My dear friend Asif Bhamla said that we win the election. This is just the trailer. Actually, the language which you have been speaking, your expressions of your face is saying something else. The defeat is seen on your face. The problem is seen on your face. The worry is seen on your face. Two brothers have met. On your face, but you are just trying to cover it up with maximum beautiful words, or filmy words. I'll tell you only one thing, Asif bhai. Asif bhai, हाँ चंदन को आरसी किया, पढ़े लिखे को फांसी किया, और महाराष्ट्र को मराठी किया.
All right, let me get in Krishna Hegde there, because many feel that it is Mr. Eknath Shinde who would probably be the most worried, seeing the Thackeray brothers together and claiming that legacy of Bal Thackeray. Yes, Krishna Hegde, your comments also on this language chauvinism, this violence over Marathi.
Yeah, I think my friend Sajid has become an astrologer. His new profession, so good luck to him. But let me tell you that we have a better strike rate in the Lok Sabha elections than the Uddhav Thackeray, party.
Enjoy the past glory.
And for last 3 years, they've been just making all these allegations and talking, but everything is going, reverse for them, the opposite. And in the Vidhan Sabha elections, we contested 80 seats. We won 60 out of 80 with a strike rate of 75. We are the second biggest party in Maharashtra now.
And you want action taken against the goons involved in all this violence over Marathi?
Obviously, see, I'm not talking about any particular party, but anyone who takes law into their own hands in Maharashtra, action should be taken, against them.
No, will
and
be
same
taken
all over India.
action will be taken.
All right,
With
we're
an
still
iron
waiting
fist.
for that action to be taken. Mr.
With
Devendra
an
Fadnavis
iron
said that they
fist, I
would be
can assure
arrested.
you here.
Those men are still roaming free
We
today.
trust our
There's-
leader, Devendra
the
Fadnavis
five
ji.
workers who vandalized Mr. Kedia's office have also been booked. But we'll wait and see what action is taken.
No, Mr. Kedia was just being a, Begani Shadi mein Abdullah Diwana. There was no need to him for him to tweet that and get into the ruckus. I think he just got it on himself. So I think that's entirely his fault.
But even so, it didn't deserve his office being vandalized like that. Final word to you, Rubal Nagi. If you can come in here, as a Mumbaiker, what is your appeal to the various political parties? And we're going to see, more politics taking place, in the run-up to the BMC elections. And this particular issue of Marathi is one that we see very often being used in Mumbai.
Being a grassroots worker, I always see action in slums and villages and all our areas when it's time for election. So we are not new to this. All I would say is Mumbai is a beautiful city. Maharashtra is a beautiful state. And India is the most amazing country that we live in. We are all proud of our country and we all say we are proud Indians. And, I'm a peace lover. I prefer to solve problems with conversations, with exchanging ideas, and keeping politics sometimes aside when it comes to human interaction. For me, I've always treated humanity first. So the video that I'm seeing right now on top, stones being thrown and somebody's shop being vandalized is not something very pleasant to anybody's eyes.
Who actually said he
but
will
like
not
Sajid
learn
ji
Marathi.
Said, the
But
intention
Rubal
and
Nagi,
what was said was something else.
Can I have
So
last
I
5
guess,
seconds?
everything needs to be seen with the right eye. And
Can I have
close
5
elections,
seconds?
all these
Okay.
things are expected. But end of the day, आम आदमी को नुकसान होता है. तो हमें आम आदमी के लिए अगर हम वोट उनसे मांगने जाते हैं, उनकी परवाह करते हैं, उनके लिए सोचते हैं, हम उनसे चुने जाते हैं, उनके लीडर हैं, तो प्लीज genuinely from your hearts think about them because this is not people on ground want. Trust me, मेरे से ज्यादा उनके बीच में कोई नहीं रहता. 5 साल के political campaign के बाद बहुत सारे
This is
नेता
really,
हैं जो
the
दिखते ही नहीं
politics
हैं,
of
लेकिन
the
हम रोज
yesteryears,
जाते हैं.
I think, in Mumbai.
Let's not put Marathi कि हमें मराठी बोलनी है. I don't think that was spoken and I don't think that was the whole idea. So I understand the point now. So I think violence is not the path any of us.
Asif Bamla,
ever
yes,
take.
last comment that you wanted to make and then I have to wrap this. Yes.
Dr. Mashalkar ji's report saying that Hindi should be incorporated into the syllabus was, by the way, put forth by the MVA government when it was in the government.
Now you're opening up the whole other issue about the Hindi imposition. We are talking about this Gundagardi and why not enough action
समझ में आता है प्यार के लिए
what
लड़े
this
तो
means
समझ
for
में
the
आता
image
है
of
कि
Mumbai.
छोटी-छोटी चीजों के लिए लड़े तो I think हमारा देश और टुकड़ों में बढ़ता जाएगा.
Well, I'll just have to leave it there. Thank you so much all for joining us on the program. I'm completely out of time. Thank you a lot. Thank you a lot for joining us.